I will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Fetch app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then here can you looking for here Fetch app, or just click here on search. Then here add Fetch here. Then you click on it. So then come to this list here, then just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then all you have to do, just go down, click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. So then you just go to Play Store, click here on your Play Store. So then here can you looking for Fetch app, it's going to show for you like this. And here you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.